Here's the entrance. One of many old air raid shelters on the RAF base. The escape shaft would be around here somewhere. All these buildings around here, former RAF. You can see the tower in the background. This place is still used, it's used by the council. So they're in relatively good condition. What these really used for. Two of. Down there's the hangars towards the airfield. Over there's Manby Mess, one of the biggest buildings on the complex. That is abandoned. Right now we're going to one of the underground structures. Well, it was underground at one point. I believe this building here is a garage, and over there, the second building on the lot, that is a cinema. There's one of the first structures. It could have been a bunker. I don't know. There's the opposite side. It's like Alright, on to the next. Let's walk over to the cinema building, which is this building here. Someone tipped a load of rubbish around the back. Some of it might have been part of the building at one point. Asbestos piping. There's one of the side wings. As you can see, there's still stuff in these. Door's locked up though. Last time I here, these structures weren't damaged like they are. There's been a lot of arson attacks on this place, sadly. That's why they put those signs up for dangerous structures. Over there's the I'd assume it's ballroom. Sewage. Down there's where the feed is in. You can see they just use polystyrene on the insulation on the windows. That's been reboarded up from last time. Keep the kids out. As you can see up there, this originally did have a roof, but not long ago someone from Grimsby came and decided to set fire to it. It wasn't his first time either. Idiot. So now the whole main mess building over there has no roof, and one of the top floors has been destroyed as well. This caravan wasn't destroyed last time either. Now look at it. Kids with nothing to do, they come do this instead. Before, this building used to be nice and secure. Now look at it. Let's have a look at the actual building, shall we? There's one of the old window frames for the ballroom. These are the old window covers that someone ripped off at some point, with the rim replaced now. More fire damage on the outside. Metal can. As you can see, this pattern is heavily travelled. There's where it's come from. That over there is the used buildings of the, yeah, I think it's the parish council. There used to be a fire training unit here when this was used for the fire brigade. That's gone now. Here's the opposite wing. You can see it's in a bad state as well. Up there's where the security guard used to hang out, but they burned the place down, didn't they? Idiots. Oh, look down there. a lot of rubbish. And a way in. We'll go around the building first before we go in there. Right, let's go around the front of the building. Do the exterior perimeter first. The wing that's got all the damage, or the wood rot. That's the main entrance there for the wings, and that's where the hallway is. Obviously the stairwell, the grand staircase, which is all burnt away. Obviously on this one we did go up to the upper floor because it's a bit dodgy. So we'll never get the opportunity again. I will provide a picture of what it was like before the roof was burnt off it, but initially, I think it was a couple of years ago, the roof was still on there, so you could go up to the top floor, but now as you can see through the windows, there's no ceiling. We went up to that part there, look, with the covered windows. Personal roundabout. Let's take a picture. There used to be nice balconies there, not ones you could stand on, but just for show. But obviously, like, there's a prime example there, look, and when they're undamaged, obviously someone's just decided to destroy them. All those kids, idiots. And here you can see on the front, they put this mesh up to stop people from going in the main entrance, which they kept doing. Someone keeps pulling the metal away from the wall, or it's like a car or something. There's part of the fire damage there. Missing roof. Initially, I believe they were going to turn this into a hotel after the closure, but it never came about, and it just fell into disrepair after that. Now look at the state of it. Would have been such a nice building as well. I think it's listed. I don't know why they've not knocked it down because of the damage, like many other buildings of its kind. Here's the other wing. This is the, I believe, older version of what that one was. So maybe they just didn't use this wing in the Cold War. Just decided to use that other side wing anyway and update it. Maybe there was less personnel. There is another air raid shelter around here. There's probably more than these two I know of in this little area. But there's one on that side I should have showed you that you could get into. And there's one on this side. And there's trees. There's the main entrance to the other side. This here, this raised mound, is one of the RAF air raid shelters. See here, there's the entrance inside with a ladder, but I don't think it's a very big ladder. No, it's just one wrong. The water level's lowered though, but you won't get back out. I think the rails are still in situ over there. Let's have a look. They might have been capped off. Yeah, the entrance here has been capped. Well, obviously you'd walk down there and into the bunker. Right, that was Manby mess, people. It is a mess, as goes its name, but there's still stuff worth checking out before it goes. Supposedly the bloke that owns it is just letting it fall to bits, so you can build on it. Obviously, I think it's a listed building.